Hey there, future homeowners. If you're planning to shop for a house this fall, you might be wondering if the mortgage gods will smile upon you. And you're right to ponder. Hello, I'm Maria Trujillo with Realty One Group Integrity. Last October, mortgage rates hit a 23-year high of 7.79% for a 30-year fixed home loan. But here's some good news. Rates have since plunged to 6.47% as of early August, the lowest they've been in over a year. And according to Realtor.com's 2024 mid-year forecast, they might dip even further to 6.3% by the end of the year. So what does this mean for you? Well, while lower rates are great news, the housing market is still on a bit of a roller coaster ride. As Charles Doherty, director and senior economist at Wells Fargo, puts it, the drop has occurred largely as a result of encouraging signs that inflation is easing and that the Federal Reserve will be cutting the federal funds rate sooner rather than later. Unquote. The Fed has been raising interest rates since early 2022 to combat inflation, but now they're signaling cuts this fall. And when the Fed lowers its rates, mortgage rates usually follow. Realtor.com chief economist Danielle Hale says we're going to see Fed rate cuts before the end of 2024, and they're going to be bigger than we expected at the outset of the year. End quote. But don't expect a radical change overnight. We also know that roughly 86% of outstanding mortgages have a rate of 6% or below, meaning rates will continue to have to trend lower to see a fully re-energized housing market. Now, if you've been waiting on the sidelines for median home prices to drop alongside interest rates, brace yourself. Prices are actually rising. The Realtor.com economic research team expects list prices to rise 4.6% by the end of the year. And falling mortgage rates might be to blame. So if lower rates spark more buyer demand than inventory can keep up with, then prices may climb once again, eliminating the impact of the lower rates. Lower financing costs will likely boost demand, pulling affordability crunch buyers off the sidelines. A statistic that is interesting is that for every 1% drop in mortgage rates, there are 5 million more households that qualify for home ownership. This means buyers might start searching for homes, and many might even offer over the asking price. So if buying a home is on your to-do list this fall, reach out for a more detailed analysis of our local market conditions so you can make the most informed decision on when and how to move forward. I'm Maria Trujillo with Realty One Group Integrity.